Alright, this is the 1974 Toyota Landcruiser transfer case rebuild, or excuse me, reassembly. I'm at the stage where I'm pressing the tapered ball bearing on the rear drive side of the transfer case. I've already started the press. It's about halfway through. Just the pressure on the case is holding it up right now. I'm going to continue on pressing this on until I feel resistance where it bottoms out on the gear. Then I'm going to flip it over and do the low. Right now, this is the high-speed side. I'm going to flip it over and do the low-speed gear, the clutch, spline clutch, and I think there's another washer and a gear. So this is took quite a bit of preparation. Set the hoist up. Obviously, I've got a tool. It's about 12-13 inches long. It's a piece of black steel pipe, and it goes over the shaft. And the reason you need the pipe is that it's pressing on the race, the inside race of the bearing, not the outside. That way it protects your bearing. Actually, in this situation, there's no other way to do it. The factory manual calls for a special Toyota tool, but I don't have the tool, so I just made this piece of black iron pipe. It's a Schedule 40, 1.5 inch, and I believe it's about 13 inches long. So I'm going to use it to press all the bearings, both in the transfer case and the transmission. So you'll need that tool. You'll need a press, and you'll need this pipe as a tool. So I'm going to continue on pressing this, and I'll flip it over and do a video of the other side.